Hello and welcome to Unruffled Baking. I hope you enjoy today's allergy-friendly recipe. Today we are making dairy-free pastry. You can use this pastry in any recipe that calls for flaky or short pastry. You will need a small amount of cold water, 180 grams of plain flour, 120 grams of dairy-free margarine, a knife and spoon, a bowl, and some cling film. Place the flour and dairy-free margarine into the bowl and cut it up into chunks. Rub the dairy-free margarine into the flour. Add just enough cold water to bind the pastry together. The less water you add, the better the pastry will be. Bring the pastry into a bowl. And wrap the ball up in cling film. Put the pastry in the fridge for a minimum of 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the pastry is ready to use. This pastry is perfect for tarts, pies or quiches. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.